Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report an item is missing on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and report that an item is missing on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the DoorDash app. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Orders. Now, you want to go ahead and find the order in which there is an issue for. So let's click on the receipt for this Archie's tie order. Then click on Help on the top right-hand corner. And then with that, this is where you could actually report an issue with the item. So if there's a problem with the delivery, issues with the item, or something else. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report a missing item on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.